Welcome to the Enterprise Study Guide to marking attendance and competence on your events. The attendance and competence options for each booking are a way of confirming that delegates have achieved an understanding of the key aspects of the course they've been booked onto. This can be linked to assigning skills, generating certificates, and triggering other functionality within the ES system, as well as simply allowing businesses to track attendance and make sure their staff are making the most of their training opportunities. Attendance and competence is marked on the delegate list for an event. There are a number of ways to get there, but for the purposes of this guide, we'll take the most common route. Click Course Search at the top of the page to get started, then search for the course you're looking for. Select it, and you'll see a list of events for the course. As you can see, by default, the only events shown are those taking place in the future. Well, to mark attendance, obviously we'll need to find an event that took place in the past. This calendar icon at the top left can help with that. Click the icon, select the month that you're looking for, then click OK, and the page will reload with any events that have taken place since that month added to the list. Click the delegate list icon to the right of an event to be taken to its delegate list. Here you can see you have the options for attendance and competence right next to each delegate's name. Attendance is a simple yes or no. You can either mark the radio buttons individually, or you can use the buttons at the very top to mark attendance for all delegates at once. You can then make any specific alterations to each delegate. Marking the delegate's competence is just as simple. You'll simply select an option from this drop-down menu. The number of choices available will depend on your environment, but by default it'll be a choice of competent or not yet competent. A delegate will need to be marked as both attended and competent to gain any skills that may be attached to the course. Once you're happy with the status of each delegate, click Save, and you're done. You'll see this message on screen letting you know your changes have been saved successfully. That's it for the basics of marking attendance and competence. If you have any questions about anything you've seen in this video, pop us an email at support@enterprisestudy.com. We're always happy to help.